In front of me is Nokia C01 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access security. Following that, click on face unlock and enter your current login method. Then click on Start at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done at the bottom right corner. Now you can adjust those options however you wish to, and when you finished, go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!